Are you ready for an outpouring? Are you ready for the mighty move of God? Cause it's about time. It's Reign of Blessings 2023. One night, one congregation, one voice in worship to one God. It's happening on Friday, 28 July at 4 p.m. Venue, Just Jesus Assembly, 44 Old Bar Road, Rumuobiakani, Harcourt. Ministering in music, Wisdom K, Chisom Onu, Charles Umo, Sami Wonder, Psalmist Daoj, Chinaza. Host, Bishop and Reverend Mrs. Norman Jonah and your host choir, Eagles Wings Choir. Join us as we raise our worship like an incense and see the blessings of God descend like rain. Reign of Blessings 2023. It's going to be an outburst of worship. Get ready.